Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little hodgepodge of a haul today. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking out my channel, and you are welcome here anytime you like. So went to the Dollar Tree first. I had to get some paint brushes, which you'll see those really soon when I'm done with that. And I picked up this Chanel garland, which was red, white, and green. Thought that would be nice, kind of like some fun fur. And then while I was there, you know, I took advantage of getting some candle lighters because they haven't been in season for a while. And I just realized I grabbed the rectangle one I picked up today, and I showed you the round one, but I showed you the round square ones, but also got the oval. I grabbed the wrong one, but it looks just like this, except the oval is 2 inches and the rectangle 2x3. So let me start that over again. That's what I got. I stopped by Tuesday morning trying to find a Crafty Fun collection. They had a ton of dyes. But I did pick this up. I already have this, as you guys have seen on my channel before. I made a whole bunch of these, and I'm going to make some more. I have some other designs that I'm going to be making with that. And then I went at Walmart, some other stuff I got, which is on clearance. And now my Walmart have these ribbon sets for $4.97. And they had them on clearance for $1. And these are just like the Sweet Shop. It's called Sweet Shop. They also had some Halloween, I think it was. No, not Halloween. It was Mardi Gras and St. Patty's Day as well. But I just got the sweet treats. So this is a Sweet Shop. You get 6 foot of each. And you get 4 on a roll. And they're color coordinated. And again, these were $4.97 at my Walmart. But at this Walmart, they were on clearance for $1. Got your macaroons. This says cheers, celebrate. This says woohoo. It's like it says dance and cheer. Got your sprinkles, joy, hooray, yay, celebrate. They're just nice, different colors and sweets. And some of these colors I don't have a color combination, so yeah. So they had tons of different styles. I got everything except the other 3, that were 2 that were holiday. The Mardi Gras and the Shamrock. So yeah, so that's all that I got. All of this for $1 each. I thought it was a good price. Like I said, it was $4.97 each. But you got a nice collection of different types of ribbons and things with donuts and macaroons and cupcakes. So anyway, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.